فأما من تاب وآمن وعمل صالحا فعسى أن يكون من المفلحين.
But those who repented and believed and acted righteously, they will perhaps be among those who will prosper there.
وَرَبُّكَ يَخْلُقُ مَا يَشَاءُ وَيَخْتَارُ مَا كَانَ لَهُمُ الْخِيَرَةُ سُبْحَانَ اللَّهِ وَتَعَالَى عَمَّا يُشْرِكُونَ.
Your Lord creates what He will and chooses for His tasks whomsoever He will. It is not for them to make the choice. Glory be to Allah. He is exalted far above their associating others in His divinity.
وَرَبُّكَ يَعْلَمُ مَا تُكِنُّ صُدُورُهُمْ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ.
Your Lord knows all that their hearts conceal and all that they reveal.
وَهُوَ اللَّهُ لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا هُوَ لَهُ الْحَمْدُ فِي الْأُولَى وَالْآخِرَةِ وَلَهُ الْحُكْمُ وَإِلَيْهِ تُرْجَعُونَ.
He is Allah. There's no God but He. His is the praise in this world and in the hereafter. His is the command, and to Him will all of you be returned.
قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْكُمُ اللَّيْلَ سَرْمَدًا إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ مَنْ إِلَهٌ غَيْرُ اللَّهِ يَأْتِيكُمْ بِضِيَاءٍ أَفَلَا تَسْمَعُونَ.
O Prophet, tell them, did you consider if Allah were to make the night perpetual over you till the day of judgment? Is there a God other than Allah who can bring forth light for you? Do you not hear?
قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْكُمُ النَّهَارَ سَرْمَدًا إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ مَنْ إِلَهٌ غَيْرُ اللَّهِ يَأْتِيكُمْ بِلَيْلٍ تَسْكُنُونَ فِيهِ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ.
Say, did you consider if Allah were to make the day become perpetual over you till the day of judgment? Is there a God other than Allah who can bring in night for you, that you may repose in it? Will you not see?
وَمِنْ رَحْمَتِهِ جَعَلَ لَكُمُ اللَّيْلَ وَالنَّهَارَ لِتَسْكُنُوا فِيهِ وَلِتَبْتَغُوا مِنْ فَضْلِهِ وَلَعَلَّكُمْ تَشْكُرُونَ.
It is out of His mercy that He has made for you night and day, that you may repose during the night and seek His bounty during the day, that you might be grateful.
وَيَوْمَ يُنَادِيهِمْ فَيَقُولُ أَيْنَ شُرَكَائِيَ الَّذِينَ كُنْتُمْ تَزْعُمُونَ.
Let them bear in mind that on the day when He will call out to them saying, where are my associates, those whom you imagine to be so?
وَنَزَعْنَا مِنْ كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ شَهِيدًا فَقُلْنَا هَاتُوا بُرْهَانَكُمْ فَعَلِمُوا أَنَّ الْحَقَّ لِلَّهِ وَضَلَّ عَنْهُمْ مَا كَانُوا يَفْتَرُونَ.
And from each people we shall draw a witness and shall say to them, do produce your evidence now. Then they shall know that the truth is with Allah alone, and the lies which they had invented will forsake them.
إِنَّ قَارُونَ كَانَ مِنْ قَوْمِ مُوسَى فَبَغَى عَلَيْهِمْ وَآتَيْنَاهُ مِنَ الْكُنُوزِ مَا إِنَّ مَفَاتِحَهُ لَتَنُوءُ بِالْعُصْبَةِ أُولِي الْقُوَّةِ إِذْ قَالَ لَهُ قَوْمُهُ لَا أفرح إن الله لا يحب الفرحين.
To be sure, Korah was one of Moses' people. Then he transgressed against them. We had bestowed on him such treasure that their very keys would have been raised with difficulty by a whole group of strong people. Once when his people said to him, "Do not exult, for Allah does not love those who exult in their riches."
وابتغ فيما آتاك الله الدار الآخرة ولا تنس نصيبك من الدنيا وأحسن كما أحسن الله إليك ولا تبغ الفساد في الأرض إن الله لا يحب المفسدين.
Seek by means of the wealth that Allah has granted you the abode of the hereafter, but forget not your share in this world, and do good, as Allah has been good to you, and do not strive to create mischief in the land, for Allah loves not those who create mischief.
قال إنما أوتيته على علم عندي أولم يعلم أن الله قد أهلك من قبله من القرون من هو أشد منه قوة وأكثر جمعا ولا يسأل عن ذنوبهم المجرمون.
He replied, "All this has been given to me on account of a certain knowledge that I have. Did ye not know that Allah had destroyed before him those who were stronger in might than he, and were more numerous in multitude? The wicked are not asked about their acts of sin."
أخرج على قومه في زينته قال الذين يريدون الحياة الدنيا يا ليت لنا مثل ما أوتي قارون إنه لذو حظ عظيم.
Once Korah went forth among his people in full glitter. Those seeking the life of this world said, "Would that we had the like of what Korah has. He truly has a great fortune."
وقال الذين أوتوا العلم ويلكم ثواب الله خير لمن آمن وعمل صالحا ولا يلقاها إلا الصابرون.
But those endowed with the true knowledge said, "Woe to you! The reward of Allah is best for those who believe and act righteously, but none except those who are patient shall attain to this."
فخسفنا به وبداره الأرض فما كان له من فئة ينصرونه من دون الله وما كان من المنتصرين.
At last we caused the earth to swallow him and his house. Thereafter there was no group of people that could come to his aid against Allah, nor was he able to come to his own aid.
وأصبح الذين تمنوا مكانه بالأمس يقولون ويكأن الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده ويقدر لولا أمن الله علينا لخسف بنا ويكأنه لا يفلح الكافرون.
And those who had envied his position the day before began to say on the morrow, "Alas, we had forgotten that it is Allah who increases the provision of those of his servants whom he will, and grants in sparing measure to those whom he will. But for Allah's favor upon us, he could have made us to be swallowed too. Alas, we had forgotten that the unbelievers do not prosper.
تلك الدار الآخرة نجعلها للذين لا يريدون علوا في الأرض ولا فسادا والعاقبة للمتقين.
As for the abode of the hereafter, we shall assign it exclusively for those who do not seek glory on earth, nor want to cause mischief. The God-fearing shall have the best end.
من جاء بالحسنة فله خير منها ومن جاء بالسيئة فلا يجزى الذين عملوا السيئات إلا ما كانوا يعملون.
He who shall bring a good deed shall be rewarded with what is better. But those who bring evil deeds shall not be requited more than their deeds.
إن الذي فرض عليك القرآن لرادك إلى معاد قل ربي يعلم ما جاء بالهدى ومن هو في ضلال مبين.
O Prophet, surely he who has ordained the Quran on you will bring you to the best end. Say to them, my Lord knows best who has brought true guidance and who is in clear error.
وما كنت ترجو أن يلقى إليك الكتاب إلا رحمة من ربك فلا تكونن ظهيرا للكافرين.
O Prophet, you never looked forward for the book to be revealed to you. It is out of sheer mercy of your Lord that it was revealed to you. So do not lend any support to the unbelievers.
ولا يصدنك عن آيات الله بعد إذ أنزلت إليك وادع إلى ربك ولا تكونن من المشركين.
And let it never happen that the unbelievers might turn you away from the revelations of Allah after they've been revealed to you. Call people to your Lord and never become one of the unbelievers.
ولا تدع مع الله إلها آخر لا إله إلا هو كل شيء هالك إلا وجهه له الحكم وإليه ترجعون.
And do not invoke any God beside Allah. There is no God but He. All will perish but He. To Him belongs the command, and to Him shall all of you return.